Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Digit Savings app. Review my automated savings experience. Digit is a savings app designed to help you save money automatically. It analyzes your spending habits and transfers small amounts of money from your checking account to a dedicated Digit Savings account. It's targeted towards people who struggle to save regularly and want a more hands-off approach. Key features include automated savings, personalized savings goals, and overdraft protection. Their website provides details on how Digit works. They emphasize the ease of use and the set-it-and-forget-it nature of their automated savings. Digit promotes no hidden fees and operates on a subscription model. Compared to manually transferring money to a savings account, Digit aims to make saving effortless and less noticeable. They use algorithms and data analysis to determine safe-to-save amounts. Availability can be checked on their website, and they likely have a mobile app for easy access. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Digit. Getting started was incredibly simple. I linked my checking account, set a savings goal, a new laptop, and Digit took over from there. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. I could easily check my savings progress, adjust my savings speed, and even pause saving if needed. The rainy day fund feature was a nice touch, allowing me to set aside money for unexpected expenses. Performance-wise, the app worked seamlessly. Transfers were quick and reliable, and I never experienced any glitches or errors. I did have a question about changing my savings goal, and their support team responded within a few hours via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it effortless to track my savings growth. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated savings. I barely noticed the small transfers, and yet my savings balance steadily increased. One minor drawback was the monthly subscription fee, though I felt the convenience and savings progress justified the cost. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Digit. It helped me achieve my savings goal without any hassle, and I would recommend it to anyone looking for a simple and effective way to automate their savings. That's my overview of Digit Savings app. Review my automated savings experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.